Hi guys, welcome to DJ Boutique. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful hairball. Let's start. For this tutorial, we will need 6 pieces of satin ribbon, each measuring 3.8 cm wide and 18 cm long. Take one piece of the ribbon. Now, let me show you the step-by-step process on how to make a petal. Let's grab our needle and thread. We will start sewing. This is our first petal. Next, we'll create the remaining 5. Now with all 6 petals complete, we can now glue them together to create our beautiful hairball. For this centerpiece, we'll be using mesh rhinestone. If you don't have this available, you can also use a strip of glittered canvas or even a plain ribbon. We'll attach the hair clip to the back of the bow. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!